Hello IntelliScientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. In this video, we will acquire the knowledge of order of rotational symmetry with the help of an engaging Intelli activity. From our Intelli Smart Box, take out the geoboard parts, side stands, central stands, symmetry cutouts sheet, box of board pins and activity kit. First of all, assemble the geoboard as done for the coordinate geometry activities and place it on a flat surface. Put the IntelliBrain logo and symmetry logo on the assembled geoboard and start performing the activity. Take out symmetry cutouts from symmetry cutout sheet and a box of board pins. Observe this shape as shown here and pick this cutout and start performing the activity. Place this symmetry cutout at the center of the geoboard, that is at the origin, by inserting a board pin. Order of symmetry states how many times a figure can be rotated and remain symmetrical to the original image throughout the complete rotation of 360 degrees. Now, we will start rotating the symmetry cutout by various angles and observe if it remains symmetrical or not. First, rotate the symmetry cutout by 90 degree in the clockwise direction and observe the obtained figure. As it is not the same as the original figure, thus this angle does not make the symmetrical figure. Please be informed that it is not compulsory to always rotate the cutout as a multiple of 90. You can also rotate it by 10 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, etc. based on the shape of cutout. Now again rotate the symmetry cutout by 90 degree and observe the obtained figure. Please note, now the figure is at 90 plus 90, that is 180 degree angle from the original image. Here, the formed figure is the same as the original image, thus this angle makes the symmetrical figure. Similarly, follow this activity until the complete rotation of 360 degree and observe the number of times you find out the identical figure as the original one. So, again rotate the symmetry cutout by 90 degree and observe the obtained figure. Please note, now the figure is at 90 plus 90 plus 90, that is 270 degree from the original image. Here, the formed figure is different from the original image, thus this angle does not make the symmetrical figure. Finally, rotate the symmetry cutout by 90 degree and observe the obtained figure. Please note, now the figure is at 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, that is 360 degree angle from the original image. The cutout remains symmetrical twice during the complete rotation. So, 2 is the order of rotational symmetry for this particular cutout. Similarly, you can perform the activity for the other symmetry cutout by yourself by using the Intelli Smart Box. Also, you can create some other figures and find out their order of rotational symmetry. We are sure that after performing this activity, you will have gained the expertise in the following concepts: arranging, rotating and understanding the order of rotational symmetry. Visualize maths with Alan IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.